Hey guys, check what I have here. Topeak Ratchet Rocket Lite DX. This is awesome. Okay, so this is the tool that I'm gonna take with me on my trips. It has virtually everything I need. What it doesn't have, I can swap it and I can get the 2 bits for it. It's great! It comes with a tire lever, comes with an extender. I'll go into all of that soon. Now let's get to unpacking. Important. Plastic. Alright, so this is it. So it comes in a little pouch. Closes like this. Huh, I thought it would be thicker. This is actually really slim. Quite decent size. You open it and we have tire levers, a little extender bit. Don't want to lose this. And now what we're here for. The ratchet. It's quite small. It has some cool features. So you can just choose here if we want to go left or we want to go right when we're tightening or untightening a bolt, which is quite decent. And I heard about this feature and I want to try it myself. So sometimes we're doing a stem and we need a 4mm and a 5mm. And instead of always coming here, swapping the bits, Topeak, they feature a little magnet here in the bottom. So you can hold one of the tools in here, and on the other one, it's the one that you're using. This is really cool. It comes with 10 steel tool bits. We have Allen keys 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. Okay, this is pretty standard on all bikes. And then we have a screwdriver, and then we have a Torx key. We have 2 Torx keys, T25 and a T10. You can pretty much do everything on your bike with this. The reason why I got this, it's because yes, you can get tools that are probably lighter and smaller than this and they have 20 functions or 26 functions. The thing is, you're not gonna use half of it. What we have here is the Ratchet Rocket, a Mini 18, and in here we have a Mini 9. Don't think I've ever used it, but I have it. This is it. But as I said before, there's stuff in here that I've never used. Same thing goes for the Mini 9. So this brings me back to the Ratchet Rocket. Why did I get a new one? I wanted to try it. I think it's a great tool and I'm really interested in trying it out. So let's see how the Ratchet Rocket performs. There you have it guys, I'm really excited about this tool. I'll be using this in other videos, bike repairs, new parts on my bike. We'll see how it goes. I mean, even the belt looks nice. Really excited. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.